Seattle. Dave has used Windows 7 for Windows Media Center. Home theater setup. Dave, I guess this is probably where you spend a lot of your time.
Yeah, this is a 60-inch plasma. It's a Pioneer Kuro, and it's a 5.1 surround system.
Well, I see a lot of speakers and TV and records, but I don't see a PC.
PC, you're standing right in front of it. We have Comcast digital cable, making use of both a digital tuner and an analog tuner.
Show me how it works.
Sure. Over here, we've got something fun. Start that playing. If I bring out the keyboard and mouse, just minimize this display, and you get all the information you ever want to get. It's a feature of the home theater PC that you don't get out of a standard television. Let's go upstairs to the kitchen and see what we can find to eat.
Tell me about the PC, Dave. What do you do with it in the kitchen?
This HP Touch Card. The biggest thing that we actually use this for is it's a good sort of conversation piece. You have the whole room filled with people. You've got a constant slideshow going.
The wired or wireless?
It's all wireless. All of this stuff actually comes from the home server, so the photos on streaming and all that stuff's back in the closet and one of this bedroom.
Very cool, Dave. Great setup. Thanks very much for showing us your house.
My pleasure.
That's it for this edition. I'm Mike Stroh. Thanks for watching.